I'm Kevin Jennings. I work for Denbighshire Council Social Services Department within Adults and Children's Services. The benefit of working with a professional training provider is the knowledge, the individual assessors that you have, and you build up a good rapport with them over the years. My apprenticeship journey started 21 years ago. Obviously it was new to me. I never really heard about the apprenticeship scheme. I didn't think I'd be here 21 years later, but obviously it's kept me interested in the team I work in, the various teams I've worked in within social services, and it's also enabled me to carry on my qualifications as well as a manager. The staff I line manage, I always want succession planning for them. So I always think what's next for them, you know, where they want to go. I try not to let staff get stagnant in their roles for them and for the team as well. And I think over the last 10 years at least, I've been pushing for them to complete various qualifications that's in their remit really, which I think the staff that I've got are loyal, but I also want them to progress and future their careers. So without the college provider, I don't think that, you know, they would have moved on and they would have been stagnant in the roles. So yeah, I think they've done well.